Good morning, children. How are you all? All are fine? Good. Today, we are going to start our second science lesson. Could you read the name for me? Animals on a planet. Animals on a planet. What is our planet, kids? We live on Earth. So our planet is Earth. Observe the spelling planet. Planet. Yes. Do you know about the animals that live on Earth? Yes. Yes, lions, tigers, crocodiles. We human beings, even we belong to animals. Do you know, children? All the animals on Earth belong to one family. We all are related to each other. Do you know? You don't know? Is it surprising to know? Yes. We all belong. We all are related. Do you want to know how we all are related? You want to know? Then let us look into this lesson. Animals on our planet. Okay, children. In this lesson, we are going to learn or we are going to explore the similarities and the differences between animals. What are we going to do? What are the similarities? That means what are the same characters? What are the similarities and what are the differences between various types of animals? Similarities means, see, dog has 2 eyes, cat has 2 eyes. Dog has a tail, cat has a tail. And what are the differences? So like that, each and every animal is one way same like the other animal. In other way, they are different from other animals. So we are going to learn what are the similarities and what are the differences between different types of animals. And we are also going to learn how to group these animals. Can you study characteristics of all the animals on Earth? No. No. So what should we do? We should put similar animals in some groups and we study the characters of those groups. Can we put all children of all age groups at one place and teach a lesson? No. In a school, what do? We place them according to their ages into different classes. And again, in classes, we make different sections. In section, again, we make different groups. So, even animals are to be placed into different groups. This type of dividing animals is called as classification. Classification. C-L-A-S-S-I, F-I-Cation, C-A-T-I-O-N. Classification, making into groups. Why should we make into groups, kids? Because to study more details about animals, we have to divide them into groups and then we can easily study. Okay children, to tell you about classification, see here I show you a family tree. Okay, see on the top of the tree, who is there? One great grandmother and one great grandfather. Okay, these are one set of great grandparents. This is another set of great grandparents. These are parents of grandmother and these are parents of grandfather. The grandmother and grandfather, they have given birth to who? Your father, one aunt and the other aunt. Father got married to mother and here you and your sister are born. You got married to your husband and these are your children. Okay children, and let us see here. Aunt got married to uncle and they have two children. This is one cousin and this is other cousin. This cousin married one more girl. This is cousin's wife and they have given birth to a child. He is your niece or she is your niece. Okay. So here children, your cousin, you, your children, your niece, everybody has common great grandparents. To you they are great grandparents. To your children they are great grandparents. So in this family, do you know the parents of our great grandparents? Might not be. You might not be knowing. But they have parents too. వాళ్ళకు కూడా అమ్మ నాన్న ఉంటారు కదా. సో వీళ్ళందరినీ మనం ఏమంటామమ్మా? These great grandparents are our ancestors. తెలుగులో ఏమంటాము? పూర్వీకులు. పూర్వీకులు. పూర్వము అంటామంటే పాత రోజుల్లో పూర్వీకులు. మన మదర్ ఫాదర్ పేరెంట్స్ ఎవరు? మన గ్రాండ్ పేరెంట్స్. గ్రాండ్ పేరెంట్స్ పేరెంట్స్ ఎవరు? గ్రేట్ గ్రాండ్ పేరెంట్స్. అంటే మనం ముత్తాత, ముత్తమ్మమ్మ అట్లా పిలుస్తాం కదా వాళ్ళు. సో వాళ్ళందరినీ మనం ఏమంటాం? ఎవ్రీ ఫ్యామిలీ విల్ బి హ్యావింగ్ ఏ కామన్ యాన్సిస్టర్. పూర్వీకులు, అవర్ యాన్సిస్టర్స్. Ask your parents and try to find out who are your ancestors. Ancestors Telugu meaning పూర్వీకులు. As we have ancestors, every plant and every animal have ancestors. And do you know children? We all have evolved from a common ancestors. Okay children, read this. Scientists believe that all life on earth is from a common ancestor. Very interesting to know, is it not? See, when did this ancestor live? This ancestor lived, see how many zeros are there after 4? 9 zeros. That means 400 crores. 400 crores. Okay children? Or what do we call it? 4 billion years ago. 400 crores years ago, all the life, whether it is a plant or animal, we all have evolved from common ancestor. How many years back? 400 crores years back. So, do you know, children? Every living thing, every animal, every plant, the ant that is going there, the mushroom that is there, the earthworm, all of us are from same ancestors. These all are members of our extended family. మనమందరము ఒకే ఫ్యామిలీ అంట, మనమందరము ఒకే పూర్వీకుడి నుంచి వచ్చామంట. సో ద కామన్ యాన్సెస్టర్స్ ఎన్ని రోజుల క్రితం ఉన్నాయి? 400 crores years ago. Okay, children. In those 400 crores years ago, what happened all these years? There are many changes. First, we were single-celled. From that single cell now we are this big. Even bigger creatures than a man are there on earth. Kadama, elephant is bigger than us. Dinosaurs are larger than us. So, in these 400 crores, slowly many life forms have born. And they have changed. This is called as evolution. Evolution. What is evolution, children? It is a theory. Em cheptundi theory? All life forms have taken their birth from a common ancestor. అన్ని లైఫ్ ఫార్మ్స్ కూడా ఒక కామన్ యాన్సెస్టర్ నుంచి వచ్చాయని ఎవరు చెప్తున్నారు మనకి? ఎవల్యూషన్. And slowly we have changed into different kinds of animals. Okay, children? In the beginning, what are we? We are with only single cell. After we are like sponge-like. Our ancestors used to live in oceans. And as the time passes on over these 400 crores, we slowly entered onto land. Some are flying in air. Some of us are living in water. Some animals are living on land. Some animals are living on trees. Okay, children? So, when do the first animals evolve? Around 80 crores years ago. See, this is 800 million. That means 80 crores years ago. The first animals evolved from the unicellular organisms. Okay, children? Now you understood. This is called evolution. What does evolution say? Evolution says that, evolution says that all life forms are from single organism. From this seed, these types are formed, these types are formed, plants are formed, bacteria, then next fungi, then next animals, different types of animals. Now, to study about all these animals, it is very difficult. So, scientists divided them into groups. This division of animals is called as classification. As you divide your toys, see here, what is classification? Okay, children, see here. Suppose you are given with shapes. How are you classifying the shapes? First you are putting them according to the color. According to the color, you divided all the 9 toys into 3 groups. Now again you divided in another basis based on shape. So you need not study all the 9 toys now. You made them into groups. It is easier for you to study. Similarly, animals are classified. In the next class, we see how the animals are classified. Is it clear, children? What do we call it as? Evolution. What is evolution? It is a theory. అదొక థియరీ. ఏం చెప్తుందో థియరీ? ఆల్ ద లైఫ్ ఆన్ ద ఎర్త్ హ్యాస్ come or developed from a common ancestors. When do the first life appeared on earth? 400 crores back. When were the first animals evolved? 80 crores years ago. 80 crores years ago. 400 crores years ago the first life appeared. So now today we are going to study about all the animals. As it is difficult to study all the animals, we are just grouping them or we are just classifying them. What is the spelling of classification? Classification. Evolution. Evolution. With this, I end the part of the lesson.